Hi, welcome to our new anatomy and physiology series, the digestive system, from bite to metabolism. I'm so glad you're here because this system is one of the most fascinating and essential systems in the entire human body. In this first episode, we'll get a big picture look at the digestive system, what it is, what it does, and how it's organized. We'll explore the two main divisions, the alimentary canal, which is the pathway food travels through, and the accessory organs, which help with digestion but never directly handle the food. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand not only the structure but also the overall purpose and flow of digestion, from the first bite to nutrient absorption. The digestive system is essentially a long muscular tube that starts at the mouth and ends at the anus. Along this tube, food is broken down, nutrients are absorbed, and waste is eliminated. We divide it into two parts: the alimentary canal, also called the gastrointestinal tract, which includes the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and the anus. And we have the accessory organs, which include the salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. These don't directly carry food, but they produce enzymes, bile, and other substances essential for digestion. The digestive system performs six major functions. Think of them as stages in the journey of food through your body. The first is ingestion, which is taking food into the mouth. The second is propulsion, which is moving food along the digestive tract, mainly through swallowing and peristalsis, that is, wave like muscle motion. Third is mechanical digestion, which is physically breaking food into smaller pieces, such as chewing and stomach churning. Fourth is chemical digestion, which is breaking down food molecules into their chemical building blocks with enzymes and acids. Fifth is absorption, which is moving those nutrients into the bloodstream or lymphatic system for use by the body. And lastly, we have defecation, which is the elimination of indigestible materials as feces. Each of these steps is like a stage in a well coordinated assembly line. Each organ has its role, and they all communicate beautifully to make sure food is processed efficiently. Here's a quick journey through the system. Food enters through the mouth, where it is chewed and mixed with saliva. It then passes through the pharynx and esophagus into the stomach. In the stomach, food is churned and mixed with gastric juices to form a semi-liquid substance called chyme. Next, the chyme enters the small intestine, the main site for digestion and nutrient absorption. The liver, gallbladder, and pancreas release their secretions here to aid in this process. What's left moves into the large intestine, where water is absorbed and waste is formed. Finally, the remaining material is expelled through the anus. Why does digestion matter? Every cell in your body depends on the nutrients provided by digestion: carbohydrates for energy, proteins for growth and repair, and fats for long term energy storage. Without a functioning digestive system, your body simply can't survive. This is also where metabolism begins. Once nutrients are absorbed, your cells use them to produce ATP, the body's energy currency. That's why digestion and metabolism are deeply connected. Now that you have the big picture, we are going to take this system apart piece by piece. In each episode, we will focus on one section or organ, exploring its structure, function, and how it contributes to the whole process. In the next episode, we'll start where everything begins, the mouth and oral cavity. We'll look closely at the tongue, teeth, palate, and the first enzymes that start breaking food down. You'll see that digestion truly begins before you even swallow. To wrap up, remember the digestive system is a continuous, coordinated network that transforms what you eat into the building blocks of life. From mechanical and chemical digestion to absorption and metabolism, every stage has a purpose. If you found today's overview helpful, give the video a like, take a few notes, and get ready for the next episode, where we'll literally take our first bite into the details of digestion. Thank you.